Hi guys, this is Mithil and welcome back to my channel. Today's color is peacock green and that is what I am wearing. I am absolutely in love with my outfit and I'm so excited to create a makeup look around this outfit. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so my basic idea for today's makeup look is to create a smoky eye. So I'm basically going to create a dark green smoky eye and I'm planning to keep the rest of my face very neutral, rest of my makeup very neutral. We'll see if we really want to play with some bold colors or go neutral, but let's get started with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is move to my eyes, of course. So for that, I'm going to be using this concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty Concealer and this is in the shade 02. I'm going to use this all over my eyes and in my inner corner. Okay, for the eyes today, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. This is the Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using the dark green color from this palette. So I'm going to start with layering dark green. I'm going to take a flat brush and start patting that color in on my entire eyelid. Okay, so this is what I've ended up with. I've laid the green all over my eyelids and next I'm going to use this palette. This is the Maybelline 24K Nudes palette. And I'm going to use the black shade from this palette. I'm going to go in with the same flat brush and I'm going to take the black color and what I'm going to do is first try to create like a liner just on the outer corner and then just try to blend that black on the outer color and intensify it. So I think this is how it looks. I've created a winged liner and I've intensified the black on the outer V and that is where I'm going to keep at. I do want the green to show up and I just want very light smokiness. I'm going to repeat the same step on this eye. Okay, so this is how both the eyes look right now. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend the edges out so that there are no harsh lines. Next we are going to move to the mascara and for that I'm going to be using this one. This is the Nykaa Lash Talk Like It Long Lengthening Mascara. I'm just going to go on with my first coat on my top lashes only. Okay, so I'm quickly going to do my base and be right back. Okay, I'm done with my base and now we're gonna finish the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with that green color under my eyes. Okay, so that is the green under my eyes. I'm gonna finish my mascara. This time I'm gonna use it on both my top and bottom lashes. Done with my mascara and also description of all the products that I have used to create this makeup look will be in the description box below, so please check it out. Next we'll move to the bronzer and for that I'm going to be using the Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. I'm going to go over my usual areas which is my cheekbones, jawline, forehead and nose. Okay, next step is going to be a blush, and for that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Color Show blush, and this is in the shade Peachy Sweetie. I'm going to go just over my cheekbones, not until the apple of my cheeks, and blend it in with my bronzer. Next step is going to be highlight. For that I'm going to be using the Becca Champagne Pop. I'm going to fill in my brows, and for that I am going to be using the brown shade from this Maybelline palette. I'm going to take an angled brush and start filling in my brows. Done with the brows, next we're going to move on to the lips. I want to go on a nude side but a little bit of color, so I'm going to be using this lipstick. This is the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick, and this is in the shade Buff Nude. It's a very like terracotta nude shade. I'm going to apply this on my lips. Okay, we are done with the makeup, and the last step is going to be a setting spray. For that I'm going to be using this one. This is the Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist. Now I'm going to quickly get ready and be right back. And yeah, that is it. With this we wrap up this video. We wrap up the Navratri makeup series. I do have more looks on my Instagram as well for all the 9 days of Navratri. So in case you want to check that out, I will leave my Instagram down below. And I hope you guys liked today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.